Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me as we explore the fascinating world of vocabulary. Today's word is substance. It's an A2 level noun in the realm of chemistry and science, and it means a particular kind of matter with uniform properties. So, what exactly is a substance? Well, in simple terms, it's any material with a specific chemical composition and characteristic properties. Think of it as the stuff that things are made of. We encounter substances everywhere, from the water we drink to the air we breathe. In everyday language, we might not always use the word substance directly, but we're constantly interacting with different substances. Let's look at some synonyms for substance. One synonym is material. For example, the scientist analyzed the unknown material. Another is element. Consider, gold is a valuable element. We can also use the word matter as a synonym. For instance, all physical objects are composed of matter. Another synonym is compound. To illustrate, water is a compound made of hydrogen and oxygen. Finally, we can use the word stuff. For example, what is that gooey stuff on the table? Now, let's move on to antonyms, words that mean the opposite of substance. This can be a little tricky because substance refers to something concrete. However, we can think of antonyms in terms of what lacks physical form or tangibility. One antonym is void. We could say, the void contained no substance at all. Another could be emptiness. For example, the astronaut felt a sense of emptiness when looking at the vast void of space. We can also use the word absence, as in, the absence of any substance made the room seem eerie. Another related word would be nothingness. The universe started from almost nothingness, but now it's filled with matter and substance. Finally, a word like immateriality could also be relevant. As an example, the concept of a soul is related to the realm of immateriality, which is beyond the realm of any tangible substance. Now, let's explore how we can use substance in everyday life. In a scientific context, you might hear someone say, the lab is testing the chemical properties of this substance. Or, in a more general conversation, you could say, the soup lacks substance, it's too watery. In the realm of health, we might hear, this cream is an oily substance. In a legal setting, one might say, the police were investigating the illegal substance that was found. Now, let's try some example sentences using the word substance. Water is a transparent substance. The chemist carefully measured the amount of each substance in the experiment. The doctor warned the patient to avoid any irritating substance. Scientists are studying the effects of this new substance on the environment. The cake lacked substance. It was mostly air. That strange substance bubbled in the test tube. They analyzed the unidentified substance found at the crime scene. The chemical reaction produced a solid substance. The company researches new substances for use in medicine. The paint contains a harmful substance. Here are some example phrases. Controlled substance, which refers to drugs regulated by law. Pure substance, describing a material that isn't mixed with anything else. Radioactive substance, describing a material that emits radiation. Volatile substance, which means something that evaporates quickly. Toxic substance, indicating a poisonous material. To summarize, the word substance is a fundamental concept in science, referring to any kind of matter with uniform properties. We explored synonyms like material, element, matter, compound, and stuff, as well as antonyms like void, emptiness, absence, nothingness, and immateriality. We also looked at various ways substance is used in everyday language and in scientific contexts. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word today. I hope you found this exploration of the word substance helpful and informative. Before we wrap up, I have a small favor to ask. If you enjoyed this episode, Please consider subscribing to the podcast and leaving a review. Your support helps others discover Hello Word and learn new vocabulary too. Also, I encourage you to create your own sentence using the word substance and share it as a comment under this video. I look forward to reading your creative examples. Until next time, happy learning!